Do you dare to be unique? Would you like to be a one-of-a-kind yoga teacher in your community? Then the Rainbow Yoga 200-hour teacher training is the training for you.
The 200-hour Rainbow Yoga teacher training is for people who are looking at unique and creative ways for social change.
Rainbow Yoga is a social, interactive and playful style of yoga. We mostly practice in partners and groups. We come out of our yoga box and expand into the yoga circle.
We move together in ways we couldn't usually move on our own, and it's incredibly special energy that we create and we share together. We almost become one heartbeat and one pulse.
Our 200-hour Rainbow Yoga teacher training is a 22 days transformational retreat, full to the brim with all the tools you need to learn how to bring this new yoga into your community and into the world.
Come and learn how to take this unique style of yoga back into your community and touch other people's hearts as well.